Hey, here is some more waste from the grocery store, right? And so we got a lot of it. And we just keep getting more and more and more. And the chickens, roosters, and all this cardboard. You know how many trees that were cut down for this cardboard to be so abundant from the grocery store? So we got some old bananas. The roosters are just loving. Anyways, and what I do with it is feed it to the animals, and also I put it in the ground. So that hole is about 8 feet deep from the top of this box here, and it's got leaves and cardboard and oranges and onions and everything that the grocery store no longer wants or can't sell. Um, Put it into the ground, and it becomes good soil. And with good soil, we can create the foods that we want to grow locally, everywhere that we build soil and water it and put the seeds of the things that we want to grow. So thanks for watching. Covering or right over there, you can subscribe, and right now you can check out the next video that YouTube thinks is good for you.